Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to talk about numbers. I think that's kind of like basic skills. You have to count numbers from 1 to 10. You have to grasp this skill in each languages. So today I'm going to teach you how to count the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? Well, first of all, from 1 to 3, we count it 1, 2, 3. So which means 1, 2, and 3. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3. Alright, so now read it after me. From 1 to 3 for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, really good. You can speak it really well. So let's go to 4 to 6. How to count 4 to 6? In Chinese, we count it 4, 5, and 6. So 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6. Okay, now get review it a bit. Read it after me with 3 times. 4 to 6. 4, 5, 6. Alright, one more time. 4, 5, 6. And again. 4, 5, 6. Very good. Okay, let's go for 7 to 10. How to say 7 to 10 in Chinese? 7, 8, 9, 10. Which means 7 is 7. 8 is 8, 9 is 9, and 10 is 10. Alright? Let's get review it again for 3 times practice. From 7 to 10. Let's go. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, look at my mouse carefully and read it one more time. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, really good. Now let's get review and combine them together from 1 to 10. Let's read it from 1 to 10. Try it. You can make it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How did you like it? It's not that difficult, right? I hope you liked the video and learned all numbers from 1 to 10. Maybe in the future I will introduce how to speak the different numbers correctly, but for the basic skill for numbers, you have to know how to count it from 1 to 10. This is for the beginners lesson. I hope you can remember the pronunciation for each characters, and yeah, maybe in the future we will add some math game here and to practice it together. Well, so that's today's lesson. If you like this video, please give me thumb up here, and also subscribe our SY channel and my Instagram. I will post the Chinese language skills and also some, the short phrases like daily on Instagram. And if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me. You can private email me, or you can just leave the comments below. I warmly welcome for difficult questions, because that's also a challenge for me as well. Let's see each other next time. Bye!